Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Treating People Part 2. So this one, Beatmaster. Now this person really wants forest fruit, so I'm going to give them an unreleased designer shell for their cat hat. And now let's go find some other people that might want treats. Blackout's bike. And blackout and with forest. And blackout and add as well forest. So that's pretty cool. We just treated them. Look. That's pretty cool. I haven't got any traits for that designer shell, so why not? So let's just go. Ooh, I know some people won't accept because too greedy, and so let's just attempt trading my rare pack. I've had this in my inventory for ages and I didn't even realize it was there. So that's quite nice, and well, they declined. That was fun. Oh, Shelly. You know what? Let's treat them. Let's treat them with a lovely rare plaque. There we go. No! Shelly. They just left. Fine. Let's just, Oh, they have a bear hat. That's pretty cool. Oof, I just moved my screen recorder thing. Well, they have a cool looking bear hat. Let's go over here. Type in rare. Yay, a treat! Treated. Oh, that's mystical. Say pie deal. That's probably fair. But I want to wear this cat hat. I've been trying to get one of these for ages. No one was accepting my treats because no one actually thought they were fair. And now I am doing an intro contest for Animal Jam Play Wild. Let me just, show you the prizes. Right, so now this won't be I don't really have many good items on Animal Jam Play Wild, but there'll be 3 winners, and each one will get about 2 items each. So I need to find 2 more items to put on my list. Why don't we do that? And I've given away a lot of items. And then, ooh, vintage pearl necklaces. Yeah, so winner 1. So the first winner will get these. Second winner will get these. And third will get these. But it doesn't really matter. I think these will be first placed, second place, and third place. So that's cool. And yes, I will be doing a green screen. I'm gonna be doing that after this, and I have no good left. So I'll just end the video here. Goodbye, humans. Have a lovely day, and subscribe.